Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to use Google Colab and how to execute your files. This is a short video, but this is a very useful video if you are planning to get started with model training in Google Colab. So basically, Google Colab is a cloud-based platform which is used for execution of Python code by accessing high computational resources like CPU, GPU, and TPU. You may ask, there are many platforms across the internet like Visual Studio, PyCharm, which allows the user to run Python code. Why do we need Google Colab? The answer is simple. Google Colab is particularly used for model training. So, model training, like training deep learning models, which requires high computational resources, can be trained efficiently using Google Colab by accessing GPU. As Google Colab provides access to GPU for a limited amount of time. If you are having a free plan or a basic plan, it gives you limited amount of time for accessing GPU, TPU. So without wasting time, let us get started. So first I am going to create a new notebook. It's getting created. Let me name it as project 1. Yes. So this is the interface of the notebook, and this is a cell. If I click on this button, then new cell will get added, and I can delete this cell here, and I can also add a text cell. And basically this text cell can be used to label any particular coding cell, and this button is used to run the code inside this cell. So these are the files. Just like other notebooks like Kaggle, you cannot directly upload files into Google Colab. First, you'll have to upload the files into Google Drive, and then you'll have to mount Google Drive, thereby connecting the files in Google Drive with Google Colab so that you can access them. So let me mount it. So this is a button which you all need to click in order to connect Google Drive with Google Colab. Click on connect to Google Drive. It is mounting Google Drive now. The Google Drive is successfully mounted, and you can see the files which I can access, and I can copy the path and start working in Google Colab. And let me come to the most important phase, that is changing the runtime. So if you are planning to use GPU, and if you are planning to train any model by accessing GPU in Google Colab, then this is the most important aspect that you all need to consider. Go to runtime and click on change runtime. Here you can access CPU or GPU based on your requirement. So I just need to show how to access GPU. So I'll be clicking on T4 GPU. This is the available version of GPU, and I'll click on save button. So here it shows connecting. So in order to check whether GPU is connected or not, let me run a code snippet. So TensorFlow is a module in Python which is used for building and deploying deep learning models. Let me use F string. Let me run the cell. So yes, GPU is connected as it is showing device type as GPU. So hopefully you have understood some of the basic features in Google Colab in this video. And in my upcoming video, I'll be coming up with more concepts where I'll be teaching you how to train the deep learning model and build projects like object detection or even dog breed classification and even syntax detection in Google Colab as well as in Kaggle Notebook. Until then, thank you so much. Have a good day.